Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is happy to see you and let's get practice to change the regular video into the 4K quality. And here I'm using the CapCut in my Android phone. Let's say I will try to change this quality video into the 4K quality, and actually we would like to change the quality to become 4K. It means that this color composition of this video will be adjusted so it can be more vibrant and lively. And let's get started. I will start it from my regular video that I have uploaded before from my gallery. After it is uploaded into the project here or the blank page here, I will select this clip or this video, and usually I will mute this clip and also remove the watermark on the ending of this clip. And after we click this or select this clip, I will going to the menu that appeared here and I will choose adjust. Then you will need to adjust several things here, such as I will adjust the saturation. I will change it into the 5, and you can also feel what if the saturation will be changed. As you can see, if we drag to the left, the color can be going to gray, but if you change the saturation into the, let's say, the maximum 50 here, as you can see, the color become more vibrant. And I think I will try to put it on a 30 is enough. And I will go to the sharpen to sharpen every detail of this video. I think I will going to the 40. I think that's enough. And I will going to the clarity beside or next to the sharpen menu or the sharpen option, and I will pull this scale into the 18, or we can also adjust it by see the result if we drag or move the scale into maximum clarity. I think I will put it on the 75 here, and after that I will apply it. Next I will do the choosing of the effect. To get the effect, I will, after apply the several things like the saturation, sharpen and clarity, I will click another or click the random things here on the blank page, and then I will go to the effect that symbolized by the star, and I will choose the video effect here, and I will choose or search for the sharpen edges. As you can see here, the sharpen edges effect is already being changed or been upgraded to become the pro version, or it means you can save and export the video that already applied by this effect if only you already purchased the pro or upgraded version of CapCut. So this is for the trial. I will keep to applying apply this effect, and I will also adjust this effect, and I'm sorry. Then I will try to adjust several things here, such as the sharpen. As you can see, the sharpen is placed on the scale 15, then you can adjust it, and you can also feel it if the scale is being reduced or being increased. I think I will put it into the scale of 30, and after that I will move to the size and I will put it in the 20. The more you increase the size, the more sharp this video or element in this video. Because in 4K you will see the every detail of this video. And after that I will keep the range on the 100, and the filter I will put it into the 45. I'm sorry, my screen is a little bit hard to apply this effect, and I will going to click this arrow and go back, and as you can see the effect and adjustment already being applied. And don't forget to extend this video, this effect from the beginning until the end of this clip. And this is the result. As you can see, the color is more vibrant after we adjust several things for change it into the 4K version. That's all, guys. Please don't forget to apply or try it by yourself to your device. You can also download it from your, if you are the Android user, you can download it from the Play Store, or if you are the iPhone user or iOS user, you can also download or install it from the App Store. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any feedback or is there any request for another video, please don't forget to put it on the comment down below, and we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.